Everybody, I'm going to make some coasters. Normally when I make them, I don't video them, but these are different. Usually I pour my coasters on, here's one that I had to wipe, just those bathroom tiles. I have it taped, so just those, cheap bathroom tiles. But I had the teacher at work cut me, I have 50 of these MDF. So they are, the same. Well, I did 4x4, so it's almost the same. And whoops. And they're so much lighter and they'll be smooth. So I'm really excited. I did prime these, but I'm also mainly I primed these because I wanted white negative space. I've never tried negative space in such a tiny pour, so I'm hoping that goes well. And then I'm also just going to try pouring on one without it being primed, which actually I'm just going to do the one because and we'll see how. So I'm just taping up the back real fast. Let's see. Just to see how it is without being primed, because maybe I won't have to prime them all. And these will be resined. So alrighty, so there's that one. And as I said, I'm going to attempt negative space, but I'm not really quite sure how I'm going to go about that. Kind of have an idea. Let me get this out of the way. So first, this is the very, very boring part. A little bit more. And there's so little, I'm kind of just smearing it with my hand. I can't wait till he cuts my circles. I've got some 18-inch and 24-inch MDF circles, and he's mitering the edges. I cannot wait to see what those look like. He hasn't even bought, I don't think he's bought the material yet though, so it could be a while, but super excited. And they cost a tiny bit more than what I've been paying for my circles, but I will like the MDF better, I'm pretty sure. Because for some reason my MDF never warps on me, even unprimed. I could speed this up, but you know what? The amount of this time it would take me to speed up, you could just like zip forward to the next part. So I'll leave that speeding up to you. So it's still Friday night, same as the last video I've done. Well, I think I'm putting them out of order. Because one of them I'm so excited about that I'm uploading tonight, the same night I poured it. I'm not waiting because I'm so excited about it. But I still have some resin work to do. I'm making really interesting. It's kind of like I'm using one of my circles and turning it into like a candle holder, and just got some interesting ideas in the works for that one. All right, so now I've got this, and I'm going to put them close. There we go. And oops. So now I've got my little 1 ounce. So I've got metallic red. Oh, there's. All right, so I got metallic red. Oh my gosh, there must have been blue on there. And oh, I see what I did on my last 4. I got colors mixed. This yellow has silicone. And then this is my lovely Windsor blue, which I adore. Oh, I see what let's see how I got those colors on there now. And just going to stir this a little bit. Hopefully this is enough. Oh no. Alright, I am digging for. Alright, so let's see now what we've got. I don't need them, I don't want them all, well, I mean, I guess if they did end up, but, you know, all kind of in a line, but that wasn't the goal. I just wanted them to all look the same colors, which is why I lined them up next to each other. Alright, so that is super cool. I like that cell. Gorgeous. It's kind of fun working in miniatures. I just realized I might be pouring out frame. Oh, they're so cool. Pouring out frame again. Okay, I'm collecting white paint. I'm not sure if couldn't tell if that was a bald spot or not. So better safe than sorry. There's kind of a sense of freedom working in a little miniature like this. You can kind of get away with more. Not liking that big blue blob there, though. So this is the unprimed one. Right. Oh my gosh, this first one is gorgeous. Oh, wow. Look at that one. So now I'm just checking before I torch to make sure that I've got them, you know, as I want them. Gosh, these are magnificent. I rarely say that. That's something I created. So you can't see the dark through that, which is what I was worried about. Which is why the main thing. Oh my god, to die for. Okay. Super cool. Way too many cells, of course. I probably should not have used silicone. Oh my gosh, I didn't even want to use silicone because I'm resining them. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. I specifically don't use silicone in my coasters. Well, I'll just have to be sure and be very careful washing them that I get it all out. Yeah, I usually make it a point to not put silicone in my coasters. So as I'm trying to put this lid on, we'll see what is taking place, because you know it does take a bit. Wow. So pretty. That blue is way too. Okay. They did look better before torching, but it is what it is, and I've got 50 or 45 more to play with. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.